Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore two-factor authentication on Kraken step by step clearly. To restore two-factor authentication on Kraken, start by visiting the Kraken website. Log into your account using your username and password. On the account dashboard, navigate to the security settings. Locate the two-factor authentication section. Click on the option to enable or restore two-factor authentication. If you previously had two-factor authentication set up, you may need to enter your recovery phrase. Follow the prompts on the screen to verify your identity. Once your identity is confirmed, you will need to set up two-factor authentication again. Choose your preferred method of two-factor authentication. You can select either an authentication app or receive SMS codes. If using an authentication app, download and install the app on your mobile device. Open the authentication app and scan the QR code displayed on the Kraken site. After scanning, the app will generate a verification code. Enter the verification code in the designated field on Kraken. If you're using SMS, input your phone number when prompted. Wait to receive a text message and then enter the verification code received. Confirm the setup by clicking the appropriate button on the Kraken website. Make sure to save any backup codes provided for future recovery. Once completed, you will see a confirmation that two-factor authentication is successfully restored. Log out and test the new two-factor authentication setup by logging back in. Enter your username and password as usual. You will be prompted to enter the code generated by your authentication method. If everything works correctly, your two-factor authentication is successfully restored. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.